नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, ऑल केरला बैंक रिटायरीज फोरम AKBRF ने एक बुकलेट जारी किया है 8 पेज का। रिवीजन ऑफ बैंक एम्प्लॉइज पेंशन इज अनडिनाइबल, इट इज फाइनेंशियली फिजिबल टू। ये 8 पेज का बुकलेट है। इसका मैं लिंक आपको दूंगा। उस लिंक के जरिए आप पूरी की पूरी ये बुकलेट देख सकते हैं। लेकिन जो इसका इंपॉर्टेंट जिस्ट है वो मैं आपको बताता हूं। और वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले एक निवेदन आप लोगों से कि अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें। मेरा पूरा प्रयास है कि किसी भी ऐसे मैसेज आपको शेयर ना करूं जो ऑथेंटिकेट ना हो। All Kerala Bank Retirees Forum, no reason to deny pension revision to bank employees. Bank employees pension scheme was introduced in 93 as a culmination of the long-term struggles and the agitations. While formulating and implementing the pension scheme, it was agreed that the scheme was similar to the RBI pension scheme. When the settlement of the scheme was formulated and published, it was mentioned that this regulation is being made in consultation with RBI and the prior approval of Government of India. Long 3 decades have been elapsed since the introduction of the pension scheme in banks without any revision, and hence the pension of the bank employees remain rocky stagnant. Pension of employees of the union government and state government is being revised periodically along with the salary revision of the serving employees. Pension of the employees of RBI has been revised in 2019 and 2023. There is no justification in denying revision of pension of the bank employees. Whenever the question of pension revision was raised, the objection and the excuses came from IBA and Government of India, where shortage of funds are unbearable future financial burden. Quite unfortunately, the negotiating unions of the workmen and the officers have not taken pains to check the veracity or authenticity of these arguments. Our organization has sought data related to the pension from all nationalized banks and including SBI and also Reserve Bank of India, where a similar scheme was introduced during the November 90 under RTI Act. The figures so received were thoroughly analyzed, which clearly proved that there is no paucity of funds for revising pension. Also, there will be no insufficiency in future also. Pension corpus of the banks are flooded with funds. It is rupees 3,78,541 crores as of 31st March 23, and the interest earned for such funds and mandatory inflow from banks are more than enough to meet payment of pension and a family pension without touching the huge corpus. For example, total inflow including interest to the pension fund of all public sector banks including SBI during 23 is rupees 40,255 crores, whereas amount of pension paid during 23 is rupees 30,878 crores. The position is similar throughout. Details are in the following pages. The number of bank employees retiring yearly is diminishing, and a major share of the existing pensioner may leave this world, reducing the pension liability drastically, which can be verified in the age profile. A very thick sum of pension fund shall remain intact, leaving no room for fear of fund crunch for implementing revision of pension. We have filed a case in the Honorable High Court of Kerala in 2020 for implementation of revision of pension, which stand transferred to Honorable Supreme Court of India, admitted as case number 2974/22, which is pending for the disposal. M. Suresh, General Secretary. Friends, AIKBRF का एनालिसिस बहुत ही ट्रुथ और रियलिटी के करीब है। हाँ, इसके जो मैं एक लिंक दूंगा, उस लिंक के जरिए उस बुकलेट के डिटेल्स डाटा जिसका एनालिसिस है आप उसको देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू, नमस्कार।